Thank you so much, Miss Abby. That's what I like.
You better sing.
We went over to a local spot that had karaoke. We all sat at a big long table and ate food and drank drinks and sang some songs and did a little dancing as well. And so to have the opportunity to be in a group and have fun and bond like that was really special. It's a bit of a daunting experience at first, you know, they're huge.
Okay, yeah, hold on a second.
So you want me to kind of lift it?
We have to, yeah.
They all were jumping, and it is a wonderful thing to have around. And then everybody was saying, "Oh, this is going to be the talk of the year."
We're going to blow it up again, but this time we're going to actually train people how to put it up and put it down. And we're going to do that for the next 2 weeks that we're here. Shika iweke. Aha. Good job. Haya. Ina kichwa kama cha kwako, si unaona? Ina kichwa kama cha kwako. Ina kichwa kama cha kwako. Haya, weka hapa.